Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So this is a continuation from the video I uploaded yesterday on Krak, how to get $10 for just signing up. But the requirements are $10. Well, I'll attach the video at the top right corner. You see a card there. Click on that card or check the description box for the link to the full video. So this is just a video on how to withdraw the $10 once I sent it back to you. So this is how you can be able to withdraw your $10 once I've sent it back to you. I didn't share the video because yesterday's video was very long. So let's go ahead. First of all, I'm going to need to open Krak. Alright everyone, so once you have received this back from me, then I will show you guys how you can withdraw it back. So you cannot withdraw it back by sending it to another bank. No. So I'll show you guys how you can do it. First of all, you click on this button, the plus button, then we are going to convert. So we are going to convert it to a cryptocurrency, okay? We are going to convert the euro. I'm sure I pronounced it not very well, but yeah, we are going to convert the euro. So you wait for it to load up. Alright guys, you now select the euro. You select the euro, click on it. Then you are going to click on BTC. So we are going to convert to APTOS. Why did we choose APTOS? APTOS has the minimal gas fees because you are going to spend gas fees. So it has the minimal gas fees. You are going to search for APTOS and click on it. Then once it's up, alright guys, so once it's showing something, you should just click on max. Click on max once. Then as you can see, to show you just see that you will receive, and click on continue. Now I'm going to convert it, so click on confirm. The fees is the minimum, you're going to confirm it at 0.08. So as you can see, if it shows you this success message, you have converted. Now you can send it to any exchange of your choice. So you just go to the exchange, you click on add funds, and then you copy your address, and I'll show you guys how you can get it. How you can send this now, because now you have converted it. Now we need to be able to send it. As you can get your APTOS address. Also, you can click on add funds. Then you can deposit crypto. Then when we select coin, wait for it to load up. Now we are going to search for APTOS. That's APT. You click on it. Now the address, the network is still the same. This is your address. You just copy it. It goes to the same. It's the same thing with Binance, KuCoin, Gatecoin. Anyone you want to use, just follow this. So once you want to send money, you click on this plus button. They are going to click on withdraw. Now you're going to withdraw crypto. So now you wait for it to load up. Okay, now you're going to search for APTOS. APTOS. Search for APTOS. Then you click on it. Good. Now we are going to need your withdrawal address. You put it. You don't need to put any nickname. Let's click on one. Or you cannot say church. Let's put my address. As you can see, this is the withdrawal address. And you click on add withdrawal address. Add withdrawal address. Then they will send you a confirmation mail via email so that you're able to withdraw the money. So you go over to your email and click on it. So just go and do that. Alright, then once you see the email something like this, then I'm just going to click on confirm address. Then if it shows something like this that your withdrawal address has been approved, you're now going to go back to Krak. Then click on continue. Then you're going to select, you're going to have to type it 6 points. This is the amount of apps you have. That's APTOS. You just type everything. Alright, so once I've typed it, you click on this forward button. Then you're now going to click on confirm. Then as you can see, withdraw as administrator. So now this video also can help you for those of you that at the end you join. You can be able to, because if you join today right now, If you join today right now, the video is attached to the top. You see it in the top, or check the description box and link to the video. If you joined right now, you are going to get your $10 by tomorrow. So you just have it less than 24 hours to log in. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and just turn on the notification bell to get notified when new content like this. We have our WhatsApp group in the description box where we share updates that you really don't want to miss out of. So if you are ready to join our WhatsApp group in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.